Absolutely delighted and also excited and humbled that I have won this award, the Bharat Leadership Award by Lexicon. I think it's a great idea and it motivates people like us to do more, not only from a business standpoint but also to give back to society. It's also very important that this award kind of gives us the right perspective, because these are COVID times and we all have to do something more than what we are supposed to do, give back more 200% or 300%. And I think technology has played a very, very important role in this pandemic. It is one of the things that I feel which has eased the pandemic a lot. So I'm glad that I'm in the technology business and we have been able to use technology to impact lives of people, the way they live and work, impact the life of businesses, how they operate. Instantly, for example, many of our customers were able to, the minute the lockdown was announced, they were able to transition from what they were to a completely online mode and operate their businesses. So it feels great that we are able to impact business outcomes for companies, and that's exactly what our aim is. We are in the business of digital transformation. We help companies transform their digital landscape, and this helps in impacting the lives of employees, people, consumers, and the entire population at large. So I'm very excited, humbled also on behalf of the entire Shrore team, our leadership team. I'm very humbled. Also very important is our customers, because it's because of our customers we are here. As they say, the customers are kings and employees are queens. If you keep the employees and the queens happy, the kings will always be happy. So that's the kind of motto we go on. I think so there are multiple triggers to read, and one is self-belief, one is passion for the work that I do. I have a lot of passion for technology, passion for leadership, and very importantly, I think, like I said, if the work that we do impacts human lives in a better way, and if we can use technology innovation to better the life of people in businesses as well as normal life, I think that's a great trigger point. So if we want to give back to society, and as a business, we employ so many people. We employ more than 150 plus people. So I am very proud of the fact that we are kind of feeding those many homes, giving them a livelihood. So entrepreneurship is very, very important, because then we are adding to the economy. We are adding to the fact that our Prime Minister announced a $5 trillion economy, and we are moving towards that aim. So I feel very privileged to be in a position that we are able to employ people, transact business, impact human lives with the help of technology, and in some way, in some small way, contribute to that aim of shining India and growing India. I think future times are very exciting, and innovation in technology will lead us, whether it's biomedical science, whether it's innovation in internet technology, Wi-Fi. You can take any place, technology will play a major part of role. So for me, that's the trigger, that the excitement that is there in front of us, that we can use technology so wonderfully to change our lives for the better.